So every year, a major company such as Boeing or NASA picks up and designs a game for these high school students to compete in. And so this year is the Boeing company. They have designed the game along with the Lucasfilms. And so you can well imagine that it's quite a complex game. And so these students have to build a robot that can do a multitude of things. They have to be able to pick up, I describe them as very large tennis balls. They're roughly the size of a basketball, but they have the consistency of a tennis ball. They have to pick these balls up. They have to recognize the color of their ball versus the color of their opponent's. And then they have to shoot it into two different tier targets. One of the targets is set at 8'8", which we have up here above my head, and the other one is set at roughly waist level. And so we are shooting for the higher target because it is worth double the points. We discovered that that is a lofty feat, no pun intended, and because it involves a lot of calculations, mathematics, to make a flywheel spin at a certain speed to give a ball a specific velocity so that it follows a specific trajectory. And so we do have students that are working at the mathematics. They've incorporated our math department to assist them in going through the calculations. They have graphed it to see that it's a linear relationship, and now they're just trying to make the program follow that.
Especially from like a programming perspective, we're doing a lot of things we've never done before. And then also from a design perspective, it's always different. There's always things to learn, new things to use, different techniques. Even though the game might be quite similar to last year's game with the ball throwing and such, we went with a pretty different design for our launchers and intakes. Even if we don't want to fall into that rut of like similarness, we're trying to always innovate, always do better, build upon what we've done in the past.
It's been going great. I've learned a lot. It's been really fun. Sometimes a little bit stressful with time and stuff, but really fun and definitely worth it.
I mean, robotics has been huge for me. Like, I've gotten so many opportunities through robotics, as have so many other people on this team. And it's just been amazing to see the team grow, to see people doing things they enjoy.
I want to make sure that the viewers know that robotics, such as this, is an expensive endeavor. And you will see things like 100 for 100 campaigns that we have where we invite community members to make donations. Robotics will run us in the vicinity of $25,000 to $30,000 to run a season when you make it to provincials, which we have this year, between registration fees, the cost of the robot, and accommodations and food and travel. And so it is an expensive event, and we ask for and we pride ourselves that we have tremendous community support.